Welcome to our DroidKit tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you through the process of backing up your WhatsApp data from your Android device to your computer using DroidKit. Please launch the program and navigate to the WhatsApp Manager function under Data Manager. Select the Backup WhatsApp mode and click on Backup Now. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable. DroidKit APK will be installed automatically on your Android phone. Please allow it to access the files. Tab Backup Now icon. Configure your WhatsApp settings on your Android device to enable backup to Google Drive. Please open WhatsApp app on Android. Tap Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Choose only when I tap Backup option and click Backup button. After configure the settings, please click the Next button. Please follow the instructions to give access permission. Tap Continue on Android phone and click OK button on DroidKit app. Tap OK on Android phone and click OK button on DroidKit app screen to continue. Enter password 1234 to back up WhatsApp to the computer. Then please click the Backup My Data button. DroidKit will continue to back up WhatsApp data to your computer. The time to back up WhatsApp varies based on the amount of messages. Please keep patient. Once the backup process is complete, you will see a Backup Completed interface. Your backup has been created. If you wish to restore WhatsApp data, explore the Restore WhatsApp functions.